coastal bass river. Got a couple of nights kayak camping out here. It's Thursday afternoon. It's about 20 past 3. Sun's just starting to set behind those trees. If I'm sounding a little bit weary, it's because I am. I've paddled more than 20k today on not much sleep. I pushed right up the sort of navigable length of the river to check it all out, and then came back down a fair way. Found a couple of bass on the way through. Oh, yep, we're on. Oh, that feels like a decent fish too. Oh, first fish of the trip, let's see him. He's hanging low. Oh, it's a nice bass. That's a good fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. Definitely on that 40 mark. Oh, come in, get in the net, mate. Oh, yeah. So in the net, he's, yeah, probably 42. 42, look at him. Oh, what a ripper of a way to start this trip. Great fish to kick things off with. How's that? And not long after that, the next one hit the net. Yep. It's a good fish. Oh, come here, buddy. Nice fish. Yeah, nice fish. High 30s, maybe just touching 40. Lovely. So a couple of fish already, which I'm pretty grateful for, because I've done bugger all fishing. It took me about 2 hours to find a sort of suitable location to camp. There's a lot of scrub through here, as you can see along the banks, and heaps and heaps of widowmakers. So I'm pretty happy with that spot, and it'll be home for the next 2 nights. Fish the rest of this afternoon, and then really fish them hard tomorrow. Alright, here's a tip for your world's easiest no-cook lightweight camping meal. Or a container of Sirena pesto pasta tuna, Laughing Cow cheese, which I found out does not have to be refrigerated. Get a few triangles of that in, mash it all together with your spork, and have it with a side of pita chips. Super easy meal when you've been out all day and just cannot be bothered cooking. And before anyone mentions it, I can see the irony of eating a container of tuna while on a fishing trip. Started off this morning with a dying flutter fizzer. They're an old favourite of mine. But something I've noticed is that there is just no bait up here at all. Like, I haven't seen a single mullet. Seen some small gudgeons and things, but that's been it. So I'm thinking if I can be the noisiest thing in the river with this fizzer, it should attract some attention. There should be a fish sitting in this scum line here against this snag. Was that a fish? Can't tell if that was me or the lure. that was a fish. Got him, got him. Oh, yes. I knew there had to be one along that. Oh, I don't think he's too bad. Oh no, he's not very big at all. A low 30s fish. Oh, come here, buddy. Come here. There's always a fish in that scum line. Well, not a big fish by any means, but it has been a really slow morning, so really happy to get that guy back into your scum line, mate. Well, it hasn't really been happening for me on surface, just that one fish. So I've switched over to a bit of a secret weapon, and it's a Xeric Flatshad Pro with a little blade at the bottom. Normally works really well on slow days, so it has been slow. We'll see how this goes. Yep. Oh, yes. Oh, he might be okay. He wasn't doing much to start with. Oh, he's alright. We bang on 40 sort of thing. Oh, yeah, nice fish. Come here, buddy. 40 to the tip. Another nice healthy fish though. Look at him. Oh. Post-spawn condition, you can see he's not filled out at all, and he's got that nice grey silver through him, which is good. Hopefully she's gone and created a whole bunch of little bass for us. See ya. Oh yeah, right there, he ate it. Oh man, I love it when they do that. It's just an average fish. Oh. I paused to that lure just to have a look further up the river where I was going to make my next cast, and he came and ate it. Oh, a little bit of a mark on him. Another post-spawn fish. See you, mate. Thanks for that. Only those 3 fish this morning, and I've got a bit of a theory as to why it's so slow. So I've had a lot of fresh through here. Water's about a foot higher than what I've seen at sort of base level in the past. And I think if a lot of those fish are post-spawn and they've spent a bit of time down in the salt, they're going to be sitting in the deeper sections of the river, where it's a little bit more saline, because obviously salt water is heavier than fresh water. So the only real way to find fish like that, aside from more search casting into the middle of the river than I'm willing to do, would be with a sounder. Which I obviously don't have, and even if I did, I spend all day staring at a screen. There's no way in hell I'm doing it out here. So my plan is, if I can't find them in the deeper water, get to where there is no deeper water. So I'm going to push right up into the skinny stuff at the top of the river, and hope that that pays off for me. Yeah, oh, that's a good fish. Oh, he's not huge. He just nailed it. He's not a bad fish by any means, but he's not the monster that he felt like when he first ate that. He's a very lovely fish though. Yeah, 40 centimetre fish. Oops. Is that almost an EP? That is my first EP. That's a definite EP. That humpy head, which is fantastic. I'd heard they were in here. That's my first. Look at him. How good. How bloody good. They're more filled out than a bass. They're rounder, more football-y. Well, this one is anyway. That's the only one I've caught, so what do I know? All right, mate. Thanks a lot. Oh, yes, straight away. Oh, he's around something. Oh, I think he's a really nice fish too. He's really around something in there. Oh, man. Oh, that's making some horrible noises. That is making some horrible noises. Oh, come here, mate. Oh, he's bloody right in there. Oh. Just back off that. Bloody hell. Oh, he's right there now. He's right there. I've got him out. Just backed off that drag. He's a nice fish. I don't think he's like massive. Oh, he's a nice fish. Yeah, he's a good fish. He's a really nice fish. Oh, that's got to be mid-40s. Yeah, about 43. Yeah, 43. See you later. All right, back at camp now. Picked up 3 more fish on the way home, all fairly small fish. But I'm just going to show you another super easy camp meal. A couple of sticks of salami. Gently fry those off. All right, perfect. Chuck those off to the side for a second. Then we just got a cheap pasta meal and added about a cup's worth of milk powder to that as well. Gently bring this up to a steady simmer. And then after about 10 minutes, you got a creamy salami carbonara. That's a pretty big meal for one person, but it's been a pretty big day. Well, I'm up a little bit later than I would have liked. I was hoping to hit the water right at first light, so be packed up pre-dawn sort of thing. But as you can see, everything's saturated. It poured down. It started raining about 1 AM. But I was warm and dry, so that was good. But I was probably too warm and dry. Because it was still raining at first light and I did not want to get up in it, so up a little bit late, but that's all right. Fishing my way back to the launch now. Been out here 3 hours already for not a touch, so it's still slow. I thought that rain last night might have changed things, but it hasn't yet. Oh, yeah. Oh, man. That scared the hell out of me. It wasn't a huge fish. I got eyes on him. It was probably a low 30s, mid 30s sort of thing. Oh, yep. Oh, it feels pretty good. That feels all right. He's alright, he's not huge. Actually, he's not that big at all. I don't even need the net for him. He went hard. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's yeah, probably 32, 33, but gave a good account of himself anyway. See you, mate. Yep. Oh, yep. Thought I dropped him for a second. He was just coming towards me. He doesn't feel too bad. He's an alright fish. Worth the net, I think. Yeah, high 30s. He's just happy in the water there. Oh, I'm not going to be happy if I snap one of these rods. There we go. I think that's alright. Oh, mid 30s. You'd call him 36. He went pretty hard. See you, buddy. It'll work out this mess. Oh, yep. He hit that really funny. Oh, he's alright. It's not too bad. Yeah, high 30s. Lovely fish. They've all been really nicely conditioned, even the post-spawn ones. Very healthy in here. Well, I think that might be it for the trip. Dozen bass up to 43, and my first estuary perch. It's felt slow. There's been a lot of water between fish, but you really can't complain with that. And to be honest, to be out here for a few nights, you definitely can't complain about that either.